Hey, greetings everyone. This is Mike. I'm coming. Ooh, that was a terrible start. Anyway, this is Mike. I'm coming to you from Samurai Geek Designs, and this is the 129 scale band Revell. Excuse me, Revell X-wing. This is for another customer build, and this is going to be one of our. He always puts me to the test, and this project has probably gone on. Well, it has gone on far too long. Um, I had a couple of hiccups trying to get a couple of things done here in this, and I couldn't get a battery. Well, I was supposed to have a battery in here, and despite having all of this room in here, the mechanics inside here did not allow for a battery. So I had to find one that fit in this area, and it was problematic because if this is going to be up on the ceiling, I was not getting enough battery life to make a proper display. Battery was dying out after an hour, and I'm not an expert at this, so I kind of talked him into having a cord that's going to double as our mounting wire, but it's going to be all black. It's not going to be this right here, but I have the nose off right now because I just need to add a little bit of ballast in there just to kind of keep it from teetering backwards. But by the time it's done, it's going to hang straight, it's going to hang even, and if he wants to tilt it, he can kind of do so just by lifting one of the wings up a little higher than the other. But it should be perfectly balanced. I'm hoping. But so anyway, I'm just about done on all of the paint. All of the effects are just about on there. I got to fix these back here because this is not. Excuse me. That's not where I want it to be yet. Cockpit is installed. The fiber optics are in there. I got to line up all of the fiber optic bunches into these three little containers that I've got inside, and I should be done. I just got to mount cannons will not be mounted on this for shipping, but I've got a box big enough, and I'm gonna load this up with styrofoam, and this thing is not gonna move inside because I've seen how these UPS guys deliver stuff, and man, I'm so nervous about shipping things to you guys if it's not an action figure, because this stuff is delicate. And UPS guys don't care, man. They just need to get it to you on time. But anyway, let me give you the little runaround on this. Like I said, I still have a few details to add. I still have a little bit of painting to do on like right here in these areas, just to kind of weather them up and get them all dirty. But this is where I'm at. It's going to be mounted on the ceiling, so no need for gear. And did I show you the back? I need to do on my wrap-up video, I'm gonna do a full lit, guns mounted, hanging from my ceiling to see how it works video. But that'll be hopefully by the end of the weekend, and I can get this off to Tim. And I have a little bit of an announcement now. Some of you might have guessed by the tone in my narrative here, but this model, along with a few others, these are going to be the last models that we do for customers here at Samurai Geek Designs. And we had a change in our family lineup here, and I didn't get to do things that I wanted to do, that I wanted to show my dad, and it's been a really big regret. And with that said, it is time for me to stop working on models, because this was always just supposed to be a diversion. Models for me was always something that I did when I couldn't perform as an artist. Writer's block, artist block, whatever, just to keep active and keep creative, I worked on a model. and I hadn't done so until the year 2007, I think. Um, and things kind of blew up. Things kind of took off from there, and this was always just supposed to be a hobby for me. But anyway, guys, I mean, I want to thank everyone for letting me work on projects of theirs. I'm not shutting the doors down here at Samurai Geek Designs at all. It's just that I need to change my focus here, and we're going to be doing a lot more artwork. There's a really big project that I just signed on to. Well, I'm going to sign on to that will take me to the next level as far as where I want to be as an artist and a writer. So I'll keep you guys posted on that, and in the meantime I'm still going to finish everything that I've got here in the shop, which is I think I have about 10 projects still that I need to finish. And I need to get all of them out of here before I move on to this next project. But you guys take care. Peace out. I will be doing I'm going to keep this channel active, but I will start doing how-to videos, and our first subject is going to be me painting this guy for you live on camera. Well, not live. I'm going to try to edit this out as best I can, but I'm going to show you guys the techniques that I use to get a face painted out and looking a little better than what you're getting out right out of the box from Hasbro. I love the figures. Not too crazy about this one because it's Poe Dameron. But all I've done so far is I've just painted the pants on him. I just painted the pants. And he's just been sitting on my shelf waiting. But this will be our first in a line of a couple of different how-to videos, and I will be working on an AT-AT for you guys to show you how I do the weathering on a 1/44 scale Bandai model. So again, I'm just going to work on wrapping everything that I've got. I'll have an update on the Flying Sub, which has been giving me some problems. An update on the Star Trek Enterprise bridge. This is my personal stash right here, but those guys I'll have a wrap-up video on as well. But again, take care. Peace out. Thanks a lot for everything, guys. Keep the comments positive. But I will see you again. Take care.